Hello guys, so welcome back to another unboxing video. So this time around we are gonna be unboxing a woman sneaker, woman shoe for Adidas. Alright, so let's take up. Anyway, we bought this at London during our recent trip. So let's do the unboxing. Right. So basically, this shoe is actually called. So this is the Adidas. So this is the Adidas shoe. Alright. So basically, this shoe actually called Adidas Superstar Women Valentine's Day Special. I think this is so-called limited edition for Valentine's Day period. That's why they have this. Anyway, it is stated at JD Sport also. Anyway, we bought this at JD Sport. So, do I bought this at JD Sport? No, sorry. I bought this at Adidas itself. So basically, this is the receipt, right? This is the receipt that we bought here. Right? It's stated here, Adidas shop, London, Fulbert's Place. It actually cost us about £80, £79.95. So you convert it away around 80 pounds. Right? So basically, this is the shoe. This is what inside the sole shoe here. This stated here, Adidas Superstar. And one thing cool about this is actually you can see this Adidas over here, right? It's actually white in color, so it actually looks like transparent here, but it's something different. Yeah, so let me take out another side here. Yeah, so all this. Okay guys, this is it. This is for my wife sneaker shoe. We bought this at London. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching for this unboxing video. So let's see what is my next unboxing video will be. So thank you guys. If you like this straightforward video, just thumbs up and subscribe if you like, and then we will do another unboxing video. Thank you.